One of the most powerful relationships in the world is that of a mother and newborn child. And every father with a camera is going to be spending thousands of dollars on camera equipment to get better photos. So let's talk about how to do that. Step 1, remember it's a relationship. Let's photograph it like a relationship. When you're having a conversation with someone, you build a relationship by having eye contact with them. Likewise, when you're photographing anyone, especially newborns. You'll notice with this photo here, I'm at eye level of the child. Secondly, I'm trying to capture that essence of affection, that love between mother and child. So any closeness and any contact you have with the parents of the child and the child in the photograph is going to make it a more powerful photograph. I like shooting newborns in black and white. Main reason being, besides black and white being cool, is that infants and newborns quite often have skin discoloration and eczema. Shooting in black and white removes a lot of that discoloration from the image. Other things to keep in mind is that anything in a baby can be a subject. They've got tiny little hands and tiny little feet, so let's spend some time focusing right in on the detail. Treat it like macro. If you have a macro lens, get in nice and tight. It's really cool as well to contrast these tiny hands with the big ones of the father. But whatever you do, you are going to be taking thousands of photos of your newborn and your infant, so please keep it in focus, keep it at eye level, and keep it affectionate.